Today I will be speaking about the Mediterranean diet for weight loss. So, why the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is known for being a diet which focuses on consuming primarily plant-based nutritious foods. The traditional Mediterranean style diet is said to have been inspired by how the people in the Mediterranean region, including Greece, Spain, and southern Italy, would have eaten many years ago. As opposed to other more restrictive diets, the Mediterranean diet seems to be a great long-term diet or lifestyle choice for many individuals. This diet has not only been associated for weight loss, but rather its effects have been looked at in relation to heart disease, inflammation, metabolic system syndrome, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and many other diseases. The Mediterranean diet encourages the consumption of whole grains, fruits and vegetables, legumes and nuts, fish, olive oil, low-fat dairy products, and a high monounsaturated to saturated fatty acid ratio. The diet is primarily plant-based but allows fish and poultry or lean sources of protein over red meat. Red wine is also allowed on the diet, but in moderation. The fats allowed on the diet are higher in monounsaturated fats, which come from sources such as olive oil and fish, as opposed to saturated fats found in butter, red meat, and processed foods. Unsaturated fatty acids have been shown to promote energy expenditure and fat oxidation. Studies have also shown that with a high proportion of unsaturated fatty acids, there is a less likely cause for weight gain and it will also reduce heart disease risk.